About a week and a half ago, I ordered this new snowboard from Signal. It's the Disruptor 3. Yeah, I'm paying 35 bucks a month for it. I think it's for a year. It's actually pretty good. So yeah, I'll be doing an unboxing. Not gonna lie, it looks nice though. Holy shit. Looks nice. There she is. Seems like a nice board. Can't wait to take it out. Well, actually, could probably go to the hill. Got quite a bit of snow there. Probably go test it out today. Yes. Setting up the snowboard, I just noticed that the box is so genius. Fluorescent light bulbs, handle with care. So like, they're gonna be extra careful because they're gonna think that it's fluorescent light bulbs inside. I don't know, I find it pretty smart. Hey guys, yeah, my review about the snowboard, I took it out at the hill, and honestly, they say it's a great all-around board, and that's what it is. I hit rails, jumps, went in deep powder, it just went well in pretty much any terrain. So yeah, I love the board, it's good, they have a good payment plan, and yeah.